This has to be the best scooter I've ever had, and mainly because of all the new tricks I've been doing, which I'm gonna show you in today's video. There was a trick that I invented over 8 years ago, and we brought it back. Now, with this trick, Orbit, I'm able to do so many new tricks. But before we get into all those tricks, I wanna show you my scooter and tell you exactly what I'm riding and why. Starting at the top, I have the TPR grips in black, going right down, resting on the thermal titanium bars. Thermal bars have been my favorite, and of course titanium, even better. Omen SCS clamp in black, sealed headset, the new Declare fork, love this thing, super strong, super light. I got my signature wheels in black and white, front and back. These do come in other colors. I like the classic feel, goes very well with the setup. I got some BMX pegs that I cut to my length, just so I have a longer peg. And then of course the best part, signature deck. With my New York Globe graphic on the bottom, and that pearl with purple and blue sparkle finish. Everything's been feeling super good, and I've been learning tricks every single day, whether on camera or off, but then obviously today, all of them will be on camera. So let me show you some of the new tricks that I learned. All those tricks were just learned in the last week or two tops. Orbit, that base trick that you see me doing, has just been an eye-opener for a lot of different tricks, getting in, getting out, and just a whole new chapter in flatland. It's a trick that everybody's trying that you should try. I also did my first ever in front of the bars whiplash, which I'll show you right here. So proud of that. It's not really the ideal way of landing that trick, but it's a start. There's still a lot to work on, especially the exit. I feel like I just can't get out of an orbit as clean as I would like to. Let's work on that. Let's see if we can at least do 3 good ones. Okay. I just needed to do a few of those just to get back into rhythm. We got out 3 times. I'm feeling really good. The tire tap is really stable and it's ready for more combos. Getting into orbit, I'm not that good at. So I want to at least get into orbit 3 times. Not too sure which way is my most comfortable way, but we'll try everything. Chairman is definitely my most comfortable way, but I like fakie. I like the way fakie looks. I just don't get it. The reason why I'm doing so many orbits, the reason why everybody's doing so many orbits, is not because of the trick itself. It's because of all the tricks that come from it, such as crack packer, which is this trick that I did before. Here, holding it crack packer, no-handed. I mean, there's so many tricks that need to be done, and I definitely want to do a orbit to crack packer. There we go. All these tricks are still new to me. The last month, everything happens so fast, and I'm trying to learn faster than I should because I'm skipping a lot of steps. I'm not doing drills, and I learn a trick, I do it once or twice, and I'm on to the next thing. When you learn a trick, keep doing a few. Try to get at least a 3 in a row kind of deal, and it helps so much, and I gotta work on that. I did a smooth one. We definitely need to do more. Now, one of the biggest reasons why this feels like the best scooter I ever had is because everything just feels perfect. But for real, to be specific, everything's tight, nothing loosens up, and the scooter is just built at the right size, the right weight, and everything just feels really smooth. The wheels are nice and worn in, but still taking a huge beating. You guys know how many times I spin, how many times I use my brake, and these wheels have had on for a a few months actually, and they come in all different colors. These bars, titanium thermal bars, titanium T-bars have been a dream of mine since I can't even remember. I love the Union tie bars. Those bars I'd be riding right now if these didn't exist. I might go back to them in the future. Either way, titanium is my favorite. And having this bar on my flatland setup with these BMX pegs that ended up working out pretty good. I mean, overall, it's such a nice, complete scooter. If you guys are looking for any scooter parts, that link is in the description. My signature deck, signature wheels. It's gonna look good on whatever setup you have, and it usually works with any scooter that you already have if you don't have one. Check that link, grab one, and let's try to do at least 2 more new tricks. Usually this basketball court fills up so fast in the afternoon, which I want to take advantage of that right now. So right now I'm going to see if I can do 2 more tricks, 2 more hard tricks that I just learned. If I can do them again, show you guys right here on this channel, I'd be proud of myself because I've only done them once each time. Way longer than the first time I did it. Holy crap. Wow. What a mission. I hope I was in frame. What an incredible session. Tough session. But all new tricks. All these tricks that you just saw are all new. These are my most recent tricks that I learned over the past month. If you enjoyed any of these tricks in this video, leave a comment. If you're interested in the scooter that I ride, the exact same one, or any parts on this, or just the same brand, Envy, click that first link in the description. Check out the scooters. Let me know what tricks you guys are working on. And if you had to pick one part on my scooter to take off here and use on yours, what part would it be and why? If you made it this far, I'll give you some news. I'm uploading every single day. Twice, one long, one short. Haven't done that in 4 years. I'm gonna start doing it again. New videos every single day. Can't wait to see you there.